So we just arrived at Lithia Springs Park here, not too far from Tampa. It's just a beautiful spot. I was able to, as I'll show you right here, I was able to actually pull by the spot, pull up onto this road, and then just swing the rig right around this tree. And as you can see right here, this is where we're at. Yeah, so it is a gorgeous spot. Check this out from the outside, looking in. If you go up and you just look at the canopy, what an incredible tree canopy. It's just so private. You can't see hardly anybody next to you at all. This place is really nice and private. And you know, of course, the standard picnic table, and they do have a fire pit. I think we might actually get some wood and have a fire tonight. Pretty nice. This is excellent. All right. So here we are at a county park by the name of
Lithia Springs Park.
Yes.
And conservation area.
Very nice, very nice. We are so impressed with this place. We'd almost don't want to leave.
But we have reservations elsewhere and kind of a timeline, so.
Yeah. And shh, it's really nice.
It's our secret.
It's near Tampa. It's almost a stone's throw away, but
well,
it's really nice. And if you get lucky, you actually get sewer along with electric and water. So,
and
yeah, like
it's
we did.
$20 a night. If you're 55 or older, at least one person, it's $18.
Unbelievable.
If you are, is it 62 or 65? Any a little bit older, one person in the party, it's only $12 a night. Seriously. It's really? Like a really good well-kept secret, in my opinion. At least in the state of Florida, there's some cities that have their own city parks, there's counties that have their parks, and then the state parks. So we're going from here to another state park because I do like the Florida state parks. And then, yeah, we're going to show you some of what's here because there's a lot. It is first come, first serve.
It is, that's true.
So that's the only caveat.
They want you to drive through with your rig, pick which one you want, come back and tell them. It's a little bit of a pain, but what we did is we just took our bikes. I took my bike off, parked it up at the parking lot, took the bike off, went around, saw the one I wanted, and
called me.
Yep, called her, and she...
I was right there already.
I was right there, told her that's what we want, and then I met her back at the camper, and we drove it down to the lot. So yeah, have the one that's actually, you know, driving the rig do that because they know exactly what they can fit into. Probably be the best thing.
I mean, that's what I like to
Unless
do.
you're both experienced with backing into.
I just like to send him. If there's something like this where we can choose our own site and it's first come, first serve, they will have a map and they'll show you which ones are currently available.
Yeah.
And then you pay your fee.
Yeah.
And you're good to go. They do not sell firewood. So if you're in the area, you might want to get firewood from somewhere local. I'm not sure. She thought maybe the gas station right around the corner would have it. Yeah. You're in the middle of nowhere, so to speak.
Yeah, you are.
But you're not.
That's really crazy. There's
and
not that noisy. A couple planes flying over, that's it. A little bit of light from a neighborhood next door, but that's it. And we had the moon last night, which was really cool. So it was just beautiful, beautiful night.
Downtown Tampa. This is where we are.
Where's Tom?
Where's TB12? We missed him this year, but he's here somewhere. We just arrived to our destination.
CCB.
Cigar City Brewing, tap room and brewery. Scotty really likes their High IPA. And so we thought we would come for a visit. Are you happy?
I'm very happy. I am so excited. We're at Cigar City.
I want to know what you got. What'd you get?
Fancy papers.
No, let's go from here to here.
So I got Florida Man.
Florida Man, which is hilarious.
Margarita Goss. Taco Bago or something like that, and Fancy Papers.
Fancy Papers.
So this is Taco Bago is a red IPA. Taco Bago, red IPA. And then Margarita Goss is a sour ale with lime and salt. It's a really nice sour.
Ghost? Margarita Ghost?
Mm-hmm.
Florida Man.
Florida Man is a double IPA. 8.5 ABV. It's good.
Scotty likes his IPAs. And Fancy Papers.
Of course, that's my favorite. But I do like Fancy Papers because it's a hazy IPA, which I really like.
There you go.
Yes.
I don't drink beer. I don't like beer. Therefore, this is what I drink. And it's really yummy. It's an Florida orange seltzer. And it's really, really good, light, refreshing. I like it. It's really great place. And we are getting a Cubano.
They stopped their tours, I guess, about a year and a half ago.
Like about everybody else. Like everybody else.
Yeah, whenever, I guess.
COVID. And they still haven't resumed them yet.
Yeah, so that's kind of a bummer, but
we're tasting.
I always like, I drink their the High Life all the time. It's great. Cigar City High Life, you see it in the stores, buy it. It's really good.
Yeah. So, it was kind of a cloudy day anyway, even though we're at a new campground that we really like. We figured we'd go do something today, and then we're just going to stay all day tomorrow.
Yeah.
At Lithia Springs. So we're only there 2 nights. So tomorrow we'll explore the park. But today we wanted to come to Cigar City in Tampa and fight the traffic to get here.
I'm kind of bummed the springs aren't open in the park. I guess it's too cold or something.
It's too early. They're not open year round. So anyway.
All right.
We will check back with you later.
Because we have been working hard right from the very start. Who knew we'd get this far? But now it's time for us to stay out until it's late. We've come a long, long way, so we deserve it, mate. Call it a day and celebrate. Let's celebrate. Call it a day. Let's celebrate. Obstacles that we faced did ever slow us down. We knew we'd get here, went the extra mile in every race. We are duty bound. We push it right on through. I know you need it too. Because we have been working hard right from the very start. Who knew we'd get this far? But now it's time for us to stay out until it's late. We've come a long, long way, so We give it our best, but sometimes we need to stop to see what we have assessed. I'm grateful about everything, because we have been working hard right from the very start. Now we get this far, but now it's time for us to stay out until it's late. We've come a long, long way, so we deserve it, mate. Call it a day and celebrate. Let's celebrate.